Are you tired of settling for mediocre returns on your investments? Do you want to learn how to boost your income and take your portfolio to the next level? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to show you 7 of the best REITs to add to your dividend portfolio. So sit tight, buckle up, and get ready to take your portfolio to new heights. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll gain access to exclusive content that will help you make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. Plus, it'll help us grow and improve our channel so we can continue to provide you with the best possible content. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Number 7, Ventas Incorporated, ticker VTR. We focus on REIT sectors and companies with accelerating earnings or funds from operations growth. With that in mind, we really like healthcare REITs that have exposure to senior housing. VTR, which owns senior housing communities, medical office buildings and research facilities, is a good example. REITs that specialize in seniors housing have been hit hard by the pandemic due to declining occupancy rates and rising labor costs. Experts expect these REITs to experience a rebound even without pricing, as seniors housing is one of the last REIT subsectors still recovering from the flu bug. Investors interested in this theme might appreciate VTR, which currently offers a 3.7% yield. Number 6, Gaming and Leisure Properties Incorporated, ticker GLPI. In addition, we also like gaming REITs, which are largely net rental growth vehicles. With rising interest rates, private equity buyers and private REITs don't have the cost of capital to compete with gaming REITs for acquisitions, which could give these REITs a lot of headroom for external growth. GLPI, which owns and operates 57 casinos and resorts in 17 states, is an excellent example of a gaming REIT. The REIT recently released its results, which detail record fourth-quarter results. GLPI also rewarded its shareholders with a special dividend of 25 cents per share, in addition to its 72 cents per share dividend for the first quarter of 2023. The REIT's yield is currently 5.4%. Number 5, Iron Mountain Incorporated, ticker IRM. Investors willing to look beyond the usual REIT sectors, such as office, retail and healthcare, may find hidden gems in specialty sectors. Our favorite is the document storage space, where industry leader IRM has a very attractive 2023 setup. This REIT provides secure document storage, shredding and information management services to companies around the world. Iron Mountain's document storage business has long been a target for short sellers who feared that digitization would render this business obsolete. IRM currently offers a 4.7% return. Number 4, Public Storage, ticker PSA. IRM provides storage services to businesses, which find it a secure way to dispose of and archive their confidential documents. On the consumer side, PSA owns, operates and leases more than 2,500 self-storage facilities in 38 states, covering 170 million square feet. The REIT is also included in the S&P 500 Index and the FT Global 500 Index, as it is a large-cap company with high liquidity. PSA recently released its 2022 full-year results, highlighting a 23.7% increase in base FFO compared to 2021, the acquisition of 74 additional facilities representing 4.7 million net rentable square feet and the launch of 8 new facilities. The company recently announced a dividend of $3 per share, a yield of 4.1%. Number 3, Prologis Incorporated, ticker PLD. PLD is another specialty REIT, playing a vital role in retail supply chains. PLD currently owns and leases 984 million square feet of facilities to meet the shipping and fulfillment needs of e-commerce clients such as Amazon.com Incorporated AMZN and FedEx Corporation FDX. The REIT has a global presence, with facilities in 19 countries. The company's strong recent growth has greatly benefited shareholders. From June 2007 through January 2023, PLD has earned an annualized return of 9%, dividends reinvested, compared to 6.4% for the broader REIT market, as measured by USRT. Recently, the board of directors approved an increase in the REIT's annualized dividend by 10% to $3.48 per share, raising PLD's current dividend yield to 2.8%. Number 2, American Tower Corporation, ticker AMT. Investors looking for infrastructure exposure in a REIT may like AMT, which owns and leases telecom towers and data centers. The REIT's current portfolio totals 223,000 locations, including 43,000 in North America and 180,000 overseas. In addition to traditional wireless and broadcast services, AMT has also expanded into the 5G field. AMT recently released its financial results for 2022, which included a 14.5% increase in revenue, but also a 33.9% drop in net profit. CEO Tom Bartlett highlighted the REIT's ability to capitalize on its December 2021 acquisition of CoreSite, which at the time significantly expanded AMT's data center services. AMT currently delivers a 3.2% yield. And finally, the number one of our list, Blackstone Mortgage Trust Incorporated, ticker BXMT. REIT investors looking to maximize returns may want to consider mortgage REITs, which are a special type of REIT that do not own or lease real estate. Instead, these REITs invest in mortgage-backed securities that pay interest income. Because of the built-in leverage, mortgage REITs can often offer much higher yields than the underlying securities they own. One possible mortgage REIT to consider here is BXMT, which invests in senior loans secured by a portfolio of commercial properties. Currently, BXMT's senior loan portfolio totals $26.8 billion with a total of 203 loans. The portfolio has a weighted average loan-to-value ratio of 64%. BXMT currently pays a very high dividend of 11.6%, but the stock price has not appreciated much in the past. Now that we've covered the basics of REIT investing and provided you with 7 top-performing REITs to consider for your dividend portfolio. Remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions and seek professional advice if needed. If you found this video informative and useful, please consider taking action and adding some of these REITs to your portfolio. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences with REIT investing, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments section below. Lastly, if you enjoy our content and want to stay up to date on future investing videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content for our audience and grow our community of investors. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.